Deception Pass Bridge is a prominent and iconic bridge located in the U.S. state of Washington. It spans Deception Pass, a strait that connects the Strait of Juan de Fuca to the Saratoga Passage, which separates Whidbey Island from Fidalgo Island. The bridge is a vital transportation link in the region, connecting the town of Anacortes on Fidalgo Island to Whidbey Island. Here are some key facts about Deception Pass Bridge. Location: the bridge is situated in the Deception Pass State Park, near the town of Oak Harbor on Whidbey Island and the city of Anacortes on Fidalgo Island. It is part of State Route 20. Construction: the original Deception Pass Bridge was built in 1935, and it was a steel cantilever truss bridge. The construction was part of the Civilian Conservation Corps (CCC) projects during the Great Depression. In 1959, a parallel bridge was added to accommodate increasing traffic. Design: the bridge is renowned for its stunning design and scenic location. It provides breathtaking views of the surrounding water, islands, and mountains. The color of the bridge is distinctive, featuring a greenish-blue hue. Height and length: the bridge reaches a height of approximately 180 feet, 55 meters, above the water, and the total length of both spans is around 487 feet, 453 meters. Scenic Views: the bridge offers breathtaking views of Deception Pass, the swirling waters below, and the surrounding natural beauty of the Puget Sound. The area is known for its rugged cliffs, dense forests, and stunning vistas. Deception Pass State Park: the bridge is part of Deception Pass State Park, a popular destination for outdoor activities such as hiking, camping, and wildlife viewing. There are several vantage points and trails near the bridge that provide excellent opportunities to enjoy the scenery. Attractions: in addition to the bridge, Deception Pass State Park offers various recreational activities, including hiking trails, camping facilities, and opportunities for wildlife viewing. The park is known for its natural beauty and is a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts. Historical significance: Deception Pass Bridge is considered a historic landmark and an iconic structure in the Pacific Northwest. Its construction had a significant impact on the accessibility and development of the surrounding region. Tourism: the bridge attracts numerous tourists and photographers due to its aesthetic appeal and the stunning vistas it provides. Visitors can enjoy the scenic beauty of Puget Sound and the surrounding islands from various viewpoints in the area. Recreation: in addition to its use as a transportation route, the bridge is a popular spot for recreational activities, including fishing and boat watching. Overall, Deception Pass Bridge is not only an essential transportation link in the region, but also a symbol of the natural beauty of the Pacific Northwest. Deception Pass Bridge has become an iconic landmark in the Pacific Northwest, not only for its engineering significance, but also for its scenic beauty and the recreational opportunities it provides in the surrounding state park. Could you please consider like and subscribing to our channel? It's a great way to show your support for what we do. Thank you for considering this request. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.